A single unforeseen flaw in your electrical system can spell disaster. You can uncover the hidden with a thermographic survey. By using the thermal imaging camera, you can record the surface temperatures of your equipment and your wiring that your naked eye cannot see. The survey makes it possible to highlight electrical defects that can be found where you've got end-of-life or defective components, you've got loose connections onto the components, or you've got cables that are completely undersized for the load that they are carrying, which is the most common cause of fires. Some of the benefits of a thermographic survey are they are non-intrusive. They need to be done while your business is fully operational, so there's no downtime at all in your business. You can reduce the cost of your operational downtime for fixing any of the highlighted observations from the survey. It also complements your electrical installation condition report, giving you peace of mind that your electrical installation is fully compliant and safe. Thermal imaging is one of the most valuable diagnostic tools for predictive maintenance.